Robinhood warning its day traders hours before today's open to raise their cash buffers on some of the most popular stocks. Kate Rooney, that's about people trading on margin, yes?
That's right, John. This happened in a late-night email to clients on Thursday. Robinhood pointed to more volatility around the 2020 election. And before the market opened today, Robinhood increased the minimum an investor needs to hold in their account if they're trading on margin for certain widely held stocks. If clients are not able to do that, Robinhood says it might issue a margin call. That's when the investor has to come up with more money because the value of their account falls below what the broker requires you to hold. And if a client gets a margin call and doesn't resolve it by the end of the trading day, Robinhood may need to sell some or even all of that customer's stocks to cover those calls. Robinhood users took to Twitter to complain that the trading firm only gave them about 12 hours to increase their cash. The company telling CNBC in a statement, rather than doing a blanket change that impacts all customers, Robinhood is only raising requirements for certain securities. But it's not just Robinhood. E-Trade sent a similar notice to clients this week about increasing cash buffers, but that increase doesn't go into effect until Monday. Interactive Brokers, meanwhile, doing the same thing, but they gave their clients a heads up about 3 weeks ago. Rich Repetto of Piper Sandler telling me this morning the move by most of those major brokers shows just how unique and potentially volatile this election season could be. Guys, back to you.
Yeah, that's the first election cycle we've been in with these kinds of... Go ahead, Dee.
Go ahead, Carl.
I was going to toss the break, so...
I know that you've... It happens. We're all remote. Okay, Kate, quick one for you. We're all eager to ask you a question.
Sure.
I know that business and relevance has been booming this year amid the pandemic. You've been reporting on that. But is there any sense of how Robinhood has been handling costs in terms of all the different, hurdles that it has to surpass, the election being the latest one, but in terms of security and hacks and things like that?
They have beefed up hiring in some of those areas. So security is one of those. Customer service is another. We reported this week about some hacks that customers had been complaining about. So those are the two areas where they're spending a lot. They're also pulling back in certain other areas. So they were supposed to launch in the UK. That plan got scrapped. So it seems like they're changing the game plan in the wake of some of this controversy.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.